Hey guys, it's Taylor from Jeeping Adventure, and today we are going to be color matching our little inserts, which as you can see I already tried to do, but we're gonna fix it. So let's go. Okay, so a while ago I decided that I wanted to color match the inserts. The problem was what we did was we went to a hobby town and we got color match paint that was kind of this color, but it really wasn't, and what happened was it's starting to fade. So as you can see, this looks really pink and not dune, so we're going to fix that because we did order the color match dune paint when we did the bolts.
Ooh, bam.
Which look very good.
They do.
So we decided why not just finish the trim and fix it, because it does look kind of janky. So we're gonna do that today.
Okay, excuse the band-aid, I cut myself, but to take these off, there's a little hole up here that you have to get aligned, and you put a screwdriver up into it and push up and pull down and then twist the entire piece out and the whole thing comes out. And then this you can just pop off.
So right now he's just taking them apart. You have to kind of use a screwdriver to ply up on the little clips because they are a little difficult.
It'd be a lot easier if I got a flathead, but I'm being really lazy and it's probably not gonna pay off.
Nope.
Nope.
Not gonna work.
All right. Flathead.
And then I take all of them off and we'll be ready to go. So now that we got all of the vent pieces off, we are now moving over here and taking these pieces off.
I need a flathead for this too. No, there we go. Goodness gracious.
There we go.
Got it.
And then after we take those pieces off, we will do the grab bar right there. Around right now. And we have the dune color match paint. And we are going to paint it.
Looks way better.
Way better. Because that looks real pink for some reason.
Yeah.
That's so much
Put in the sun too much.
sun. Yeah. So here we go. That looks pretty good. I really didn't think it was gonna cover this ugly color that we had going on.
It already looks 1,000 times better. And we'll probably have to do like 2 or 3 coats.
I was worried when you said you didn't want to do like a black and then you do it again. And then do the last pieces. Which you can tell as I'm spraying it is already such a different color than what it was before.
Yeah, it looks way different.
It looks so much better.
A little tip for doing the bar right here is cut a hole in the actual cardboard so that way it stays up for you. If not, then it'll just keep falling over.
So now that all the coats are on, it definitely looks so much better, which I guess we won't really be able to tell until it's in the Jeep. And then we'll let it dry a little bit longer and put them all back on. All right, so now that we got all the pieces done and they are dry, I'm going to hand it off to James.
Yeah.
And he's going to insert them because, well, that's his job. My job was to paint.
That's fine. I'll get them inserted into the little vents real quick and then put them in the Jeep. When you're installing this, there's a tab with one extra. It's the only one. And that will go right there. It's the only spot. So it's easy to line up. Then you slide it up. Make sure that the Jeep is going to be tilted up when you place it.
And it just clicks in.
This one.
We gotta fix that one.
So make sure the Jeep's up.
We kind of put one in wrong and now it's stuck the wrong way. So while James tries to figure that out, I guess I will be putting these on the right way. Yep. All right, James is putting the last nuts in on the last door that we have to do. and then we will do the grab bar up there, and then we will be done. So we decided to do this color match paint stuff about, I don't know, when's the last week? You have to look at the video.
It's been a long time ago.
6 months, maybe a year ago.
A year ago,
and
probably.
we just never went back and got the real color.
Yeah, that's my bad.
It's not a big deal. We've got it now, and all the pieces are in, and it honestly looks really good because now you can see when the door's off that this is the same color as the body, which, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, well, you're terrible at filming, so it's kind of difficult. But got it on. Everything looks good. You happy with it?
I'm super happy. It looks good with the doors off too. Whenever I take the doors off, it won't look like all faded junk.
It's not gonna be faded. It looks good.
I only have to fix that mistake. Yep, gotta figure that out. Still haven't.
We'll figure it out. That's all right.
I always do.
Camera's a little crooked. There we go. This might be the last time I do a video where you're filming. It's crooked. Yeah. Oh my god. All right. So from Taylor and James at Jeeping Adventure, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Or once again, if you don't like me in the video, give it a thumbs up. I don't care. I don't really know what we have coming up, so I can't tell you. Do we have anything coming up?
I still have to do my axle seals. I don't know if I'll ever do those. I think you've
heard that in like 5 videos now, that he's got to do his axle seals, maybe 6 videos now.
I'm really putting it off. That's like 4 hours worth of work for a $12 part. Maybe I'll just get a new axle.
That would be a fix to the problem.
That would be so much better. And then I'm also doing my rear shafts. Let's see, what else? I don't know. Maybe the camping trip this July, possibly?
Maybe.
Who knows? I don't know. We come up with random stuff most of the time.
So we got a lot going on right now. Once we get everything figured out, I'm sure we'll knock out some really good videos.
Yep.
Yep.
First vacation.
Ooh, vacation.
Yes.
With Grace and Jarrett from Crawl TV. And we are super stoked about that, because it'll be our very first vacation ever.
And it's not Jeep related.
And it's not Jeep related. We will have probably a little bit of footage.
Let's be honest, there's gonna be footage,
but
we all
it
pick
won't
up phones.
be Jeep related at all.
Yeah.
It'll be fun, just to hang out.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a ridiculous amount of fun.
They're cool. Not on our level cool, but
that's right. Close, but like
just
not quite there. Like maybe they'll get there.
Maybe
we'll take them to that point.
We'll make them our cool.
Yeah.
All right, so like and subscribe like always, and keep the adventure going.